In this video, we will learn how to select table with drop-down list in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have here 4 sheet: Jan, Feb, March, and April. So have a different data in every sheet. And if I'm working on the April sheet, I want to see again the Feb sheet to check the old data. So I checked it easily with the help of drop-down list. So let's start. First, you have a it's normal data. You have to convert this all data in table format. So converting data in table format, just press the Control plus T and click on OK. The data will be converted in table. When data converted in table, here you can see in tabs. One tab is added here, table design. Again, all data convert in table. Just Control plus T and click on OK. Control plus T and just click on OK. Same as Control plus T. Data will convert it on table. So here I first all data converted in table. So I want to make here drop down list of all tables. When you select any cell in between this table, here you can find the one tab table design. When you select the cell outside the table design tab will be removed. So just select the in between cell table. In table design, here you can find a table name. Add here table name. I just add it and enter it. Same on second sheet in table design. Add here table name and enter. In March, add here table name and enter. In April, add here table name and enter. Now when you work on April sheet, you can, if you want to check the Feb data, so you can check with the help of drop down list. Here you can see, click on this arrow. Here you can find all table names. Just click on the Feb data. So here you can see the Feb sheet is automatically opened. If you want to check the March data, here you can see the March sheet is it's open. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.